just getting started and we missed our first turn. And he's way up there coming back because the path behind me is where we're going. It's called the Electric Tomato. So we're going to follow it and see where the heck we go. Bye-bye. Cool forest. And this is just the beginning of our trip. Not much of a choice here, is there? Or we got the wifey going through. Pretty cool area though. This is just getting going. Lots of moss and everything through here. It's pretty cool. I like it. And there she goes. Well, looks like it's tea time, people. We need this one.
We are very tired because we took another...
We took that shortcut to find that camping area, but we never found it.
So we're really
and
thirsty and hungry.
We extended our walk before our break. So now is our break.
There we go. Tea time!
Happy days.
Woo. Ah, that is so good.
It's very freaking hot. Tea time part 2. I got a pork bun. She's got coconut. And what we got to do is start coming up with something to do during tea time besides just saying tea time. Not quite sure what that is.
Eat! That's what we do during tea time. Eat and drink.
Anyway, then, if we're eating and drinking, straight black tea. Of what kind?
Earl Grey.
Earl Grey. In a nice thermos. Today I have a pork bun purchased at T&T Market. She has a coconut bun purchased at T&T Market. This is very good.
Delicious.
And we need the calories right now. I'll check my sugar later because we're recording on what I check my sugar on. Bye-bye. Anyway, tea time take 3. We're discussing what we want to come up with a theme for tea time.
Yeah.
Like maybe food, what we eat, or I don't know. So if you have any ideas, people, let us know. What would you like us to do during tea time?
I can bake.
Anything.
Nah, not really.
As long as it involves keeping our clothes on, we're open.
Okay, family and friends, you heard that.
As long as we keep our clothes on.
Actually, I don't mind.
Oh, she wants to get naked now.
No, not naked.
I'm sorry.
All the
Goodbye,
way.
people.
Not a rated R. No, no, no.
Oh, we're on the wrong channel for that.
All right. After this, we're going to continue and catch up later.
The next stop, hopefully, is a Bear Mountain lookout.
Yep.
But we'll discuss that when we get there. Bye-bye. Say goodbye, dear.
Bye.